Marhay na aldaw! So, eto na nga, yung friend kong galing Bicol, specifically sa Iriga. Ayan, sabi niya, ito daw sobrang famous na siopaw. Ay nako, katakam-takam daw. Ay nako, pumalik pa kami sa bahay niya para lang kunin tong espesyal na siopaw na to. So, let's go, let's toast it up and try it out, no? Ayan, ang sabi niya, sobrang delicious daw talaga.
Hello, friends! At ito na nga, oh my gosh, may friend ako na galing Bicol siya, taga Bicol talaga siya. Hello, fellow Bicol people! And sabi niya, ang pinaka-famous daw doon na pinaka-inaasam-asam is the toasted siopaw. So, here we go. She got us this toasted siopaw. Let's try it out and see. Toasted siopaw. Sabi niya, sobrang dami tao daw talagang may gusto nito. So, let's check it out, no? What is in the inside here? And what do people really like? Apparently, Bicol is very famous for its siopaw. And specifically, taga-Iriga siya. Here we go. Yan ang laman ng siopaw. Wow. The beef, the meat, the eggs. Let's try it out. Okay. First hand, it's full of crispiness. Sarap ng egg. Na toasted siopaw. Even though kakarating lang niya sa Metro Manila, even though 1 day old na siya, still so tasty and still so good. The bread has lasa. That's good. Then ito naman siya. So that's it. Thank you, friend, for giving me this super delicious toasted siopaw. We'll see you guys next time. Marhay na aldaw! So, ito na nga yung friend ko galing Bicol. At dinalhan niya tayo ng special toasted siopaw na sabi nila, inagaw-agawan daw talaga ng mga tao. At ito, tingnan nyo, naka-open na siya. Pakita ko sa inyo yung loob. Yan, may egg tayo. And then, meron siyang beef inside. And even the bread tastes good. So, ayan po siya. Thank you po. Diyos mabalos. Bye-bye! Here's another angle of the egg and the beef. Toasted siopaw, famous in Bicol. And it came all the way here to Metro Manila. There you go. Thank you, friend.
Diyos mabalos! If you made it to the end of this video, please make sure to subscribe and much love from me to you. So yan, now we know the toasted siopaw all the way from Bicol na nakasurvive sa biyahe all the way sa Metro Manila. Ayan, 6 pieces, yo. Sobrang delicious!